back. Will Worsham joins us now for this week's Speaking Legal discussion, where he answers a viewer's legal question on air, puts him on the spot. Yep. Let's take a look at today's question. With a new procedure by the Springfield Police Department of not responding to a non-injury accident, what should I do if I'm in a wreck that a police officer doesn't respond to? What if the other person's story changes or the facts are altered? What do you think, Will?
Okay, well, there's a couple of things that you can do. One, surely you've got your cell phone, your smartphone with your
usually,
camera,
and
your
don't call me
recorder.
Shirley.
Right, sorry about that.
That's true.
So I would get that out. I'd immediately start taking some pictures. And you can put the thing on record, and you can record what's going on there, either video or audio, while it's going on, so you can kind of get what is happening there at the accident. So the first thing, take lots of pictures. Take pictures of the car, take pictures of the damage, take pictures, well, if there's injuries, the police should be there.
Yeah.
Right. So we're talking about non-injury accident. Back up, take a big full field view of where the cars are sitting, how they're positioned, and all that. That could be important if there's a later dispute, and then maybe how the accident occurred.
But, you know, you don't always think of those things. Even if there's no blood or anything like that, you could be a little bit dazed.
Yes.
Which happened to me. I didn't think of taking pictures at the time.
Sure.
So, you know, it's a good idea, but you don't always think it. My biggest worry was, where's my energy drink? Is that it on the ground? No, that's
I think she dinged herself.
I thought I was fine.
Yeah.
Well, you know, that's kind of the issue with this policy is there may be injuries that aren't readily apparent.
Exactly.
You may think there's not an injury there, but it might be there. So as you're making that decision, and once again, if you're dazed, it might not be real easy to do, but try to think through that. Is there something here that maybe I am injured? We have people all the time that say, no, I don't need to go to the hospital, you don't need to call an ambulance.
Right.
Next day, it's a whole different story. You know, and frankly, even if the accident isn't that bad, just the stress and the trauma of being through an accident and your whole body tensing up through that, you're going to be very sore the next day.
That's true.
Well, what are you going to do in the event, okay, you don't have a cell phone. You're one of those few people who don't have it with you.
Sure.
What are you supposed to do in order that you can have a witness, you have your side of the story, and the other person's etched somewhere?
Well, regardless of whether you take pictures, audio, video, and all that, the next thing that you should do as soon as you can is go to the Springfield Police Department and fill in a walk-in accident report.
Good idea.
You can do that. And that then creates an accident report that's in the system. You can use that for your insurance company, for insurance purposes. And by the way, back when we're taking pictures, the other thing you want to take a picture of is the other person's insurance card.
Right.
So that you've got their information.
At the very least, write it down.
Sure. I always like taking pictures of those things now because it's so easy digitally and you don't have the problem of maybe transposing a number or something like that. You just take the picture of it when you do that too. But when you fill out that walk-in motor vehicle accident report, then that creates an accident report in the system that your insurance company is going to want to rely on also. And it records your statement in a very kind of official way. Doesn't mean that it's going to be considered to be true later, but you've got a record of what you say happened at the time or near the time when it happened, which is another important piece of
information.
So take the pictures. If you don't have that, make sure you file a report ASAP then.
File a report no matter what.
Okay.
Whether you take pictures or not.
All right, well, thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
All right, if you have a legal question for Will, you can email him at wworsham@color10.com, and he'll be answering your question on the show. Always good to see you. Thanks again.
Thanks.